Hey guys, welcome to my video here showing you how to assemble the Grilla Grills Kong with the all-terrain cart. Had the good folks at Grilla send me this Kong out to use and evaluate and give some feedback on, so let's jump in here and get this thing assembled. So here I am just getting into the packaging and making sure that I have everything that I need to get the whole cart assembled. I'm going to speed this part of the video up because there's just not a whole lot going on at this point. So as you can see at this point, I'm now taking the bottom of the cart and I'm separating out the nuts and bolts to connect the arms that will actually hold the bowl that the Kong is going to sit in. Again, there's not a lot going on at this part other than just threading the nuts and bolts in. So I've sped all of this up to try to not take so much time with the video. I know right now at this point it can be a little difficult to really see what I'm doing. I don't have a real mobile camera set up in my garage, so just stick with me till the end and you'll see the finished product. You guys may have heard of the moving company 2 Men in a Truck. Well, today I was one guy in a toolbox. So here comes the fun part. This is where you're going to need a little bit of help. I had to recruit my son to come help me lift the Kong actually into the cart. The little booger is a little bit heavy. At this point, I'm working on getting the straps hooked onto the Kong and to the cart so that it doesn't shift if you ever go to move it. Now comes the cosmetic part of the assembly. I'm attaching the shelves and the handle to actually lift the lid. The wood that Grilla used for this is just really beautiful in my opinion, and I think it really pops against that black finish of the grill. And just like that, my wife came home in the middle of the build and the garage door opened on us all of a sudden. If you stuck around in the video this long, the part you've been waiting for is about to come. The actual finished product. So there she is, the finished product. You can see how good it looks, all assembled. And there she is, actually in place on my back porch. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure you keep your eyes out for more content of me using the Kong. If y'all like this video, please hit that like button for me and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks y'all.